How to make Shopify Store in mobile 2025. The truth is the process is really simple, quick, and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Open Google Chrome and search Shopify. Go to the main website of Shopify Store. And now here, click on this button, Start Free Trial. Enter your Gmail address and simply click on this button. Once you do this, it will redirect you to a page where you need to sign in to your Google account. Simply go and sign in to your Google account. And it will ask you to answer all of these questions, or you can simply go and click on the skip all button. So I'm just gonna go and skip this. Once you click on it, wait a few seconds to Shopify to respond. And now it will take you to the main dashboard of your Shopify store. After that, they will ask you to add your first product, design your store. You can just do this. It's really simple and easy through your phone as well. So just go simply and select these. And after that, what you need to do is go to select a plan and buy a plan for your Shopify store. So just click on the select a plan button. And now here it will show you all of the different plans they have for their Shopify store. Purchase a plan, start building your Shopify store. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.